Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me to Pricesmart. So if you guys want to see me shopping in Pricesmart, please stay tuned. So as you come into Pricesmart, them have lots of fridges here. Sometimes the prices are better than a quart. Nice big industrial fridges. That's the price of that one. Them have Whirlpool too. So they have some chairs here. 5,000 for the metal one. And they have a roller shade. That's the cost for the roller shade up here. 12,000. And then they have some stools over here. 6,000. This is the price including tax before tax. These are the stools. They have some pots too, pressure cooker, frying pans. Frying pan is 5,173.85. Not some smaller ones. Well, actually, this is two come in one. I don't know this brand, but I mean, it says non-stick, and they have smaller ones in 2 pieces. And this one is 4,656.35. And they have some more pan sets down here as well. Non-stick, the same brand. Pressure cooker. Pricesmart also has a wide variety of car batteries. I know a lot of people tend to buy their car batteries from Pricesmart. They claim to say it's cheaper. I don't know, I don't have a car, can't state. But they have quite a number of different batteries here. Different prices based on what you want. Okay, we're in the snack aisle. So these are some cookies that they have here. 2,000 odd for these. These are actually nice. I've had them before. They have Oreo, 30 pack, and they have the minis as well. And they have Chips Ahoy. I have Milo. Price up there. sugar cookie mix. They have butter kissed as well. This is 18 pack. 18 pack for $5.85. They have some oatmeal cookies here, 1,400. I mean, I don't know if this is a good price, to be honest. Have these Milano cookies. Pepperidge Farm. Digestive. They have tiki. I love tiki. You get 2 boxes and each box has 12, and that's for $608.35. They have pistachios in here. 2004. This is the size of the bag. 2 pounds. Peanuts. More pistachios. To me, they're really expensive, not gonna lie. Almonds. We have pecans. They got a whole lot of liquor in here. Barefoot. Bangkok. This one is actually really nice. Whole lot of wines. Whole lot of wines. Yamana. Enough wines, people. Look at the aisle. Lots of wine. And I think the price is a little bit better in here too for the wines. And they have a whole frozen fruits and vegetables section. And of course, them have the Appleton. Here we go. Price up there. Signature blend. And you know them have Ray and Nephew as well. I have a huge bottle. That's like $5,000. This is of course my favorite section in Pricesmart, the bakery section. They got Christmas cake or fruit cake in here. $900 for the fruit cake. They have the bigger size of the fruit cake as well, $2,000. Favorite section in here, y'all. They got this marble cake for $7.50. Nice. And they have a chocolate one. I think it's for the same price. Yeah, $7.50 for this. What else they have? Carrot rum cake. This look nice. For $7.50 as well. The desserts and the pastries in here are usually really good. They have this huge box of cookie, oatmeal and chocolate chip. Let's see what's on the other side. They have what is the name? Chocolate chip. Oh, they have oatmeal cookie too. They have oatmeal cookie for $8.50. They also have lots of muffins, blueberry muffin, $7.50. You get 6, or is it 8? 6 you get in there. Yeah. You have blueberry, you have assorted muffins, and the muffins are really big. Like they're huge. They also have donuts here. Ooh, they're warm, like them just bake. Donuts here just bake. Look at them, warm. 12 count for $7.50. Chocolate chip cookies. This is actually 120 cookies. Belgian waffles. Trust me, people, they have wholly for desserts here. all kind of things them have here. Them have even mini cinnamon rolls here. Okay guys, so I'm back home now. I'm gonna give you the haul and the prices of everything that I purchased. Now Pricesmart is like a wholesale like superstore. It's a membership club. You have to pay a membership fee yearly to get a card. I'm not sure of how much the membership fee is right now, but I think you can find that on their website. I don't buy every single thing there just because it's just me and my husband really. So certain things that we know can last and certain things that we eat like regularly, we buy there. Also, the price is not the best for everything. So obviously some things makes more sense to buy in the regular supermarkets. So yeah, I just wanted to note that. So let me go ahead and show you what we purchased. Alright you guys, so this is everything we purchased. As you can see, it's not a lot of stuff. Some of the stuff we still have from last month. We really only go to Pricesmart like once a month, so not every month we buy the same things. It just depends on what we need. So we did buy these cookies. We really like them. These are oatmeal raisin cookies. We got these for $8.50. We got a 3-pack of oats, of Fosca oats. It does work out cheaper when we buy it in Pricesmart. So we definitely usually pick this up, and this is something that we use a lot in our meals. We also bought these almonds, and they're sliced. We don't usually buy these, but we feel like it's something good that we can eat in conjunction with the oats, and when we're baking and stuff we can use this. So we got these. We got some Brunswick tuna. Let me turn it around for you. We got 1 2 3 4 5 6 of them. We got the tuna in water. This also works out better to buy. This is also something that we eat a whole lot. Then I have member selection crunchy peanut butter. This also works out a whole lot better at Pricesmart than what they sell in the supermarket, and peanut butter is something we use a lot. Also, we got this Mexican cheese blend. We use cheese a lot in our cooking as well, so we did go ahead and purchase this. We got the mixed fruit, member selection mixed fruit. We use this a lot in our drinks, in our shakes and smoothies and stuff like that. We also bought some Bangkok wine. This is pink moscato, really nice. So we definitely recommend this. And we got also Yamana white wine, and this is a sweet wine. So that is basically my haul. Alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me and little haul from Pricesmart. I told you guys in my previous video that I was gonna try and start doing some more vlogs on my channel, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want me to go and shop somewhere else and let you guys have a look at what the stores have and different prices, please let me know. Remember to subscribe. Also check out the previous video on my channel and my channel playlist. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, leave the comments in the description. Also, please remember to check out my other channel called Yardmans. Thanks a lot you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.